Maybe an hour, only an hour after his passing. He came so quickly. Thank you very much, Father CJ. So he was able to bless the man. And now on my son, second son, Tiff, who flew from Sydney last night. And will be leaving on Tuesday, so he just flew to say his road to his dad.
Yeah, I don't want to do this because I think I can't, right? For those of you who saw the show last night, sana saying I want to start off by saying thank you to our friends and relatives. Thank you for supporting us and helping us with this and the time. Your with us, the family. Thank you for being there last Tuesday when I couldn't be. Thank you for showering my dad with other loves and fears. For the Google family, on the day. Thank you for always showing up when dad was looking for you. Thank you for helping whatever you were doing. Every time dad was with you, got right away to see him. Luigi, I don't know if you're here. Thank you for being a brother to me. Thank you for being like a father to my dad. When we were still living in Philippines, one of the things that we always look forward to is when we do the kain sa labas with our families. So my dad and I would always have this conversation under me. We would go to Tiff, kain tayo sa labas. And I would tell him, naglalaro ko eh. And he would tell me, kain tayo sa labas, kasama sila G. And I would tell him, sige, saan? Sa Isaki, o Kent, everywhere pa. Hindi, sa labas ng bahay, sa karahay. Wala na. They always have a blast, and we're always excited. So, last Tuesday, saddest day of my life, we were doing a video call with my mom, Diana, right? I was beside me, and Manu asked me, what's on? Dad, what's wrong? I told them, your mother is dead. He passed away. He's going to heaven. And Manu told me, no, he will be back tomorrow. I prayed for him. I wrote a letter, placed it under Sleeping Joseph, or Sleeping Joseph Lord. And the next day, the letter was gone. Sleeping Joseph got the letter. He will be back tomorrow. You will see. So Wednesday came, I picked up Manu from school. Then Manu asked me, Dad, is no longer really there? Yeah, he's gone. He's on his way to heaven. And then Manu told me, he is my angel now. He will forever be in my heart. He can see me everywhere. So yeah, my dad will always be in my heart. He will always be in my mother, jokes, and Anna's heart. So I'm so much hurt. For the day went by, and it was too much. I had to follow up with my friends. And I told them, I'm Friday, let me see haircut. You don't know how to Adam. The conversation went. And then he told me like, Friday, to kaya kita pumanay ko ng dad ko. Nakikita ko sa loob. Minsan naisip ko, bakit yung relationship ko sa dad ko, parang ko lang meron yun. Then I remember having this conversation with one of my friends during the lockdown. So, he called me up. So, that called me, this is something big. So, first thing I said, pare, problema mo. Dahil worried na ako. Walang buwan ko sa bahay. Kapulong na ako. Don't get me wrong. I'm not doing that so much. Pero hindi naman kami parang kayo ng tatay mo. I remember also having this conversation with one of my old friends. He told me like, Jeff, siguro kaya lalaking anak binigay sa'yo. Kasi hindi ko na kailangan mo kayo. Alam mo na paano lalaki ng lalaking anak. Kung naghanap ka ng role model, tignan mo lang yung tatay mo. So, yeah, I might not have been there last Tuesday to say goodbye, but no words were left unsaid, no actions were left undone. I know how much you love me, and I know you know how grateful I am for all those times we hanged out and for all the love you've given me. And then when Manny was born, Dad, listen, one of Dad's nickname is Manuling. So, I knew it's a man after him. After man was born, my dad called me and he said like, Dip, I'm gonna go to Santay. already laughing because we would always laugh at each other every time. And I said like, bakit maduling? Alam mo. And said, hindi, seryoso ako. Huwag mo na akong isipin, huwag mo na akong lagaan mo mabuti yung anak mo. And I think right now, my son and I are on the way to have the same kind of relationship that my dad and I had. I guess that's all I wanted to say. And Dad, I guess, yeah, all the good things might really come to an end. It will really come to an end. We laughed a lot. We were always silly. And we had a blast. And, oh my gosh, I'm going to miss you so much. And just before I end, I just want to call out a few other names, sir. Mom and John, sorry I wasn't there. Help out. Monica, thank you for being there when I wasn't there. Thank you for your sacrifices so that my brother can take care of my dad. Michaela and Patty, your Lola love you so much. Thank you for making him really happy. Whenever we talk, he would always tell me, nakakatuwa yung dalawang yan. Marami silang din dito. Pag-gising ko pa lang, nandito na sila. Pagtulog ko, nandito pa rin sila bago ako natulog. Thank you so much. Sabi sa akin, mas matagal pa sila dito kaysa sa bahay nila. So, yeah, thank you everyone for being here. And yeah, that's the best for I could do. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, everyone. Everyone is invited to partake of dinner outside. And, that was very emotional. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.